Job of the day, we are doing a bearing service and checking brakes on this. This is the one I checked the suspension on and did all the lights, so all his lights work. He was having issues off his truck. His left turn and left brake wasn't working, but it was just this pin, so I bent it back in and it's touching now and everything's working. And turn on my tester. And the only thing not working is the clearance lights, which is the center pin, and nothing's hooked up to that, so everything's working now. Start tearing down driver's side. Tires and wheels are off. Let's take these hubs off. And brakes a little coated. Brake pads are fine though. Looks like the seal blew. And front driver's side. Yeah, seal blew I think as well. Yep. But brake still looks good. Let's clean up these backing plates a little bit and then start putting new bearings in these hubs. Alright, spindles, washers, or spindle nut and washer are nice and clean. I cleaned off the magnets, sprayed down the brake pads. I cleaned a little bit of the grease off, but the other stuff's residual and really doesn't matter. Let's get back to the van, pack these hubs with new bearings. There's a video of seals broken, so it's got some residual grease on the inside, so I'll just clean it up with some brake clean. Hubs are packed, drums are clean. Let's get them on the trailer. Cotter key on the rear. Cotter key on the front. Rear is packed, doing front. Front is packed. Let's get dust caps on. Rear adjustment sounds good. Front needs a little click. Front sounds good. New bearings on driver's side. Let's get tires and wheels on, drop it, and move it to the passenger side. Both sides are free spinning. Brakes are going to go on and off periodically, but brakes are working. And brake is working. Perfect. This is what I'm talking about with this tester. It just, the load is too much for some reason on the brakes. Brakes are off now. Free spinning. Free spinning. Let's drop it. Passenger side's up in the air. Let's get it torn down. Alright, same thing as the other side, just a little grease cut through the seal. Yep, the seal's blown. Okay, let's clean up this backing plate and get these hubs packed. Front passenger side, let's clean up these backing plates. Backing plates are clean, spindles are clean. Let's go pack these hub and drums with new bearings. Seals passenger side were blown as well. Hubs are packed with new bearings. Let's go get them on. Rear hub is packed. Front hub is packed. Alright, front does not need to be adjusted. Rear is good now and adjusted. They're free spinning. Brakes are on, they're going to be intermittent. There we go, locked up. Lock. Brakes are working, they're locking. Tires and wheels are going on. Trailer's done. Let's torque lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. Let's check marker lights. Tail tag. Good, good, good. Fender good, good. Nothing up top. Rear is on. And driver's side's good. Good, good, good. Lights are on. Let's do left turn, right turn. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. Let's do the rundown on this. New bearings, new seals, new grease. All brakes are clean, all brakes work, all brakes are adjusted that needed to be adjusted. All lights and wiring work. All lug nuts are torqued. This job's done and I'm on to the next.